All right, my stateroom is ready. Can you see this? Wow, I got my picture up here. And the door is unlocked because of the medallion. The medallion unlocks the door as soon as you approach. Hi guys, just made it into my room. Finally. It's 1:15. I done had lunch. I just wanted to put this damn book bag down. I tried to lighten it up as much as possible because I know I'm gonna be carrying it around. I put majority of my stuff in a suitcase because I know they're gonna bring it to the door and I have to worry about being weighed at the airport. But talk about readjustments. So let's take a look at the room. Room tour. Back of the door, and as you come in, oops. Oh. See, that's why I tell you you're supposed to check everything when you first come in because this light is not working. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. That one turned it off. Okay, well, can't see anything. Wonder why that's not working. Okay, that's gonna bother me. We have a closet. Enough space. This is a big old closet. Oh, there it go. Now it turned on. I guess it's on a timer. And then look at the closet space. Ooh. Life vest is up there. You got your safe. Shelving. Alright, everything will be put away. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so I guess, oh, that light turns on the bathroom. Well, look at here. Look at here, look at here. Hi, guys. All right, let's take a look at this bathroom. Motion. Look at that. Let's see what type of products we have in here. Okay. Not too bad. Then you got your line up there so you can dry off stuff. All right. And there's your toilet. All right, and we got storage underneath. And regular toilet paper. And then we got some Lotus Spa lotion and Lotus Spa hand soap. Some more extra shelving. I guess that's for a razor or something. And we got mirrors. All right, let us walk up out of here. Let's go over here. You can see we got one desk here. And in this desk, we have storage and also motion lights for the night bathroom haul. Now this is a queen bed setup. I'm in here by myself. It's another one. See, the motion light came on. Storage again. Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up? All right, and over here we got a hair dryer. It'd be good to dry my locks. Phone. 2 plugs. They're kind of small, but I'll make it work. Now, being that I have elite status, I automatically get a one-time bar setup. So this is I don't drink, but I'm gonna see if I can get my stewardess to change all of these to whiskeys. I'd much rather have all whiskey because I don't want no Hennessy, no beef eater, no absolute. Yeah. And inside, I guess we got chasers. Yes, we do. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually be 6 cans. Only got 4 cans. 2 cans of Sprite and 2 cans of Cokes. I got Perrier water, bottled water. I got 2 Budweiser. You know what would be nice? If it was Corona. Am I being picky? Well, and then we got tonic water. So whatever people use to make their drinks with, I guess this is what they have. Let's go ahead and close that up. All right, and we have a regular chair here, and also more storage and storage here. All right, so listen, cruisers, that's it. And you got, this is one of the biggest flat screen. Let's see if this thing mount, if it turns, swivels. Nope, it just stays in one spot. So that means I got to be on this side to watch TV. But anyway, all right, cruisers. Oh, I forgot the main important thing. Full length mirror. How about that? So I can see. All right, twerk time. Okay, anyway, that's it. But that's the room tour before it gets all messed up. Hi, cruisers. Let's start off by showing you have a daily planner that they bring to you as a day one. This lets you know what everything that goes on the ship, what time, even if you don't have the app. But I suggest you get the app because it's so much easier. And then we have, you know, they give you like the thing to get on your little plus packages and the guide to turning on your internet and everything. And my reception lets me know what's going on. So I'm pretty sure I would get one every day. This is just for the couple of days that's coming up. So I got a wine tasting coming up, which I'm excited because I really want to try to drink wines, try to figure out which ones and how to taste them, you know. But anyway, my steward came in. His name is Nino. He'll be cleaning my room, and I asked him to change out these vodkas and the Hennessy. I just want the whiskey, so I'm going to have it all full of whiskey. So at least I have myself some drinks. If I want to buy a drink, I can buy one because I didn't get a drink package. Why should I? Look, come on now. But anyway, just to show you cruisers exactly what goes on for ones who hasn't been. But check out the daily planner because a lot of times they have stuff on it that they don't have on the app. Trust me. So, all right, well, that's it about what's here. And I'm going to watch the safety video because I already been to my muster station. So I'm going to do my safety video. I already Clorox everything down. I wiped everything down, stuff that I know I'm going to probably be touching. And again, it is so nice to wake up in the morning and then get up and go on your cruise ship. Come in the day early. So, but anyway, let me get settled and I get back with you cruisers later. Bye, guys. Hi, cruisers. Another tip. Since there is a shower curtain, not a shower door, but being that this is an older ship, you really couldn't tell because it was refurbished. I bought my own. Dollar Tree, $1.25. And it's plastic, so this will be the only thing touching my ass when I get out of the shower because I don't like shower curtains, but I bought one for my own so I can have my own sanity. Just a tip. Just a tip.